Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at two sets of submersible lights for your swimming pool by LyLmLe. Let's go ahead, unbox, set up, and show you what they look like at night. Let's get started. Super bright LED lights that are based off magnets. These lights are about 6 inches across. The battery inside here is 3,000 milliamps. You're going to get 30 to 40 hours of use, about 3 to 4 hours to charge if it's fully dead. IP68 waterproof rating. That's going to work really well underwater. Nice card here. All the facts. You get some instructions of how to install these lights on different types of pools. The lights themselves look to be built pretty well. About 6 inches across. This is the rectangular style frame. This frame also comes in a round. Order what you want. Let's go ahead and turn the lights on. Hold on the power button for 3 seconds. The lights will turn on. So these side of the lights work off the remote control. You're probably going to use that to change the colors and so forth. Get different types of patterns. We'll look at this closer tonight when it's dark. We can see the lights better inside the pool. You have this slot here, USB-C, comes with a little cable. These lights have a strong magnet behind them. They will easily attach to a traditional above ground pool. We'll say it's concrete pool and ground. What you do is use this glue that's rated for underwater. Go ahead, apply the glue, stick this part on the inside of the pool, then you attach your lights as you would normally. So overall, I think it's a nice little package. If you want something that's a little more simple, just with a basic remote, this is the package to go with. Smaller, you can use multiple sets of lights to go ahead and light up your pool. Now we have the second set of lights that LyLmLe sent me. I'm pretty excited to open this box up. These are a little bit more advanced. I'm glad they sent me both lights because you have two different price points of lights to install in your pool. If you want something more simple, use the other lights just with a simple little remote control. But these are the Hardwired lights. They work off an app. The Essentials, super strong magnets we got there. It comes with this Bluetooth app. We'll take a look at that later tonight. Looks pretty powerful. I'm excited to use that. The cable itself is about 26 feet. So you'll have plenty of space to run from, say if you want to run your lights from one side of the pool to the other. So you plug these lights into your 110 or 120 volt socket, and then they'll be converted down to 12 volts. 12 volts is safe to use in your pool. And these lights are also IP68 rated for waterproofing. All right guys, you can see it's night now, and I've gone ahead and turned on both of the rechargeable lights. I'm at the far end of the pool. This is what they look like. You know, they're only 4 watts each. So again, this is kind of the basic package. If you're just looking for something with a simple remote and you want to add a little light to your pool, these might be a good option for you. I have it on white light right now. I'll just go through some different colors here. I'm only affecting this side of the pool right now. If I switch colors, as you can see. And I've noticed that you have to be pretty close to the light with the remote control. So again, kind of a basic setup here with the lights. There's probably no way I can actually control both lights with one remote unless I'm actually in the pool and I'm close enough. And there's different patterns you can do and so forth. So probably would do at least 2 more sets of lights for the rechargeable. Have 4 set up in our 21-foot pool. I think that might work out pretty well. One thing I will say is that those magnets are super strong here. One of the other things is if you want to use these lights, you have to, turn them on manually each time. You have to hold down that button 3 seconds, then the remote controls work. So it's something to consider if you're going to buy these lights. And the alternative is the wired lights. And so let's go ahead and take a look at those now. All right, so let's go ahead, use the app and turn on the wired set of lights. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Look how bright those lights are. It's not comparing apples to apples here with the rechargeable lights These set of wear lights, they're in their own class. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a closer look now at the app. Got this up and running right now. And what I think I'll do is I'll just blow up the app a little bit on the side of the screen here so you can see it better as I click on things. This is kind of the opening page here. You can turn your lights on and off right there. And we also have presets down here. So there we go. What else? We have color wheel here. Let's do that original color wheel to start out with. You can just go around, pick different colors, RGB, different combinations. And it's kind of nice. Let's look at this part of the color wheel. This is where you can do millions of colors, so you can do different combinations there. It's pretty neat. Go to the next screen. White. So it looks like you can do different temperatures here. Got 2600 Kelvin compared to 5,000 Kelvin and so forth. That's cool. Then you have a black and white screen here. That's kind of neat. Go to white, and then you can do different shades, darkness, so forth. And then we're back to the original screen there. So let's go over to style. And this is where you got a ton of choices here. There's probably hundreds of choices. What's nice about this, so I'm on white gradual change. If I just pull it down, the speed, you can slow things up here. Speed it up a little bit. Okay, let's do something a little more interesting. 7-color flash. So if you wanted to go through this preset really quickly, I just turn up the speed and be like, okay, yeah, that works here, but I would need to slow it down here. And if I put it like 28, that might work a little bit better. Let's see if we can find something better now. Oh, I like the gradual change. Just try red gradual change here. Speed this up a little bit. That's interesting. Let's keep going here. Let's do 7-color crossfade. So click there, and then we'll speed this up. Okay, that's nice. So let's go ahead and just slow it down a little bit. Looks like there's hundreds of styles you can choose from. If we go to music, they have some presets here. I'll play some music later once we get the microphone going. I want to show you how that works. All right, so let's go over to mic. And if I talk into it, it will change based on my voice. Make some music here. Do some beatbox. Do 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 do. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Don't ever do that again.
What else we have? Schedule. Looks like you can schedule over 7 days a week. Pretty cool if you want to turn your lights on automatically at night. Let's head back over to the mic app. So it's working again off my voice. If I keep it on phone mic, you can also play music through the phone speaker. It will cut to the music. So let's do that. Let me go to another app where I can play a song that I have license to. Guys, I guess I'm going to end the video here. What better way to go out than sound to music for the lights? So I definitely recommend both sets of lights. If you want something basic, the rechargeables are probably fine, but you probably will need to get 2 or 3 sets of lights depending on the size of your pool. If you want to upgrade and go to another set of lights, I would highly recommend these corded lights. These are 20 watts each. They're really bright and powerful. It has a great app. You won't be disappointed. Definitely looking forward to using these over the next couple years. So definitely want to do an update video, perhaps in another couple of summer seasons, revisit these lights, see how they're working and so forth. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Come on back for more videos. Take care. Have a great day.